Welcome to the video, guys. It's a good rainy day at Dharwad today. In this video I'm gonna be speaking on the 2017 model Jeep Compass. To begin with, I'd like to start with the features that I like the most of this car. These are the Bizenon HID headlamps, which offer a great visibility during night time. This is the LED running strip, daytime running lights. These are the 17-inch alloy wheels and the Firestone tires. These tires offer a great grip and even on rainy roads, so you never miss a curve. You just don't feel like you're not much confident while driving. They offer a great confidence while driving. This model also gets fog lamps. These are a lifesaver at night time. They offer a great visibility to catch hold of any potholes. These are the outside rear view mirrors, which have LED indicators, and they are automatically adjustable with just a touch of button. Let's look at the profile of the vehicle now. This is the side profile. Looks very robust and luxurious as well. The alloys complement to the look. This is the front end. Looks very muscular. Just having a walk around of the vehicle. And this is the look from the rear side. Coming to the rear, it's a very practical vehicle, so the boot space of this vehicle is immense. You can easily hold a family's luggage in this. This is the size of the boot space. Very good, right? Yeah. The tail lamps as well are LED. They look very nice and bright at night. These are the parking lamps, and this is the rear parking sensor. This model also gets a rear view camera, which is a very handy thing which comes while we are parking or doing reverse. Coming to the practicality part, this is a proper 5-seater car or a compact SUV. The leg room in the back seat is just commendable. Even a 6-footer can sit very comfortably. Even the headroom is great. This gets rear AC vents and a USB charging port, magazine holder, power windows. These are one-touch power windows. That means if you just press it once, the window goes down. You just don't have to keep holding to it. 1 liter bottles can fit perfectly in this. The practicality area is very good. This gets a rear armrest for the rear passenger. You can store water bottles or cups, coffee cups in this very comfortably. You also get the reading lights and the holder just in case if you are going through a very off-road patch. This also gets 3 seat belts in the rear. This is a very safe vehicle. This vehicle has got 4-star in safety standards, the NCAP test. Coming to the front end, all 4 power windows, lock unlock button. This is the button to adjust the outside rear view mirrors. This is the key fob. This is a keyless entry vehicle, and it gets a push start button, so you don't have to put in the key, start it. No, this is an advanced machine. Keyless entry, let me explain that. You just have to keep let me explain it in a better way. This is the key. I'll keep it in my pocket. The vehicle is locked. Now I don't have to do anything. No pushing of button, nothing. Just I put my hand in this and this gets opened, unlocked. Cool, right? Now let's get into the interior part. This is a white leather upholstery. These are pure leather seats which offer great comfort. This is a 6-speed transmission vehicle. This is a manual variant. Welcome to the cabin of Jeep Compass. This is a very practical vehicle. You get charging ports over here, a USB connectivity, aux connectivity, and this is the infotainment system, which I'll just start up and show you. This gets a Bluetooth connectivity as well. Most of the features in the vehicle, like of the light settings and etc., of the settings of keyless entry, you can just control it through this infotainment system. Let me start the vehicle. This is a push start button start. Here the vehicle starts. This is a very quiet cabin. You don't hear the outside noise much. Here you get all the apps, radio, media. This gets Bluetooth connectivity, and this vehicle gets 6-speed surround sound by JBL, and hence it is very clear sound, crystal sound, and the bass is also very good. It's getting pretty hot inside now, so let me switch on the AC. I've switched on the AC. The best thing about this car is when two people are sitting, I don't want it too cold, the other person doesn't want it too hot. So we can do one thing. He can set a different temperature for himself, I can set a different temperature for myself. That is through the help of 2-zone climate control. Here it is. The different AC temperature control for the both sides. The best thing that I like about this vehicle is, though it is such an heavy machine, but it's very nimble to drive in traffic, even in the stop and go traffic. And the mileage of this is 16 kilometers per liter. That is very good for an engine that is more than 2000 cc. And the interior is so plush and so spacious that you don't feel like getting out of the car. I really love this car. What are your thoughts about it? Please let me know. So this was my quick review about the Jeep Compass. I found this vehicle very practical, very robust and luxurious. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much.